Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, to start, somebody said my afro looks like the Jackson 5 afro from the back. And listen, I need some Jackson 5 money. But this is about a year worth of hair growth. I cut all my hair off. My hair is growing pretty fast, but I want to keep it in braids and keep it moisturized. Shout out to Key for doing my braids. I'm going to leave her Instagram and all that stuff in the description. So yes, book with her. Next is the nails. You already know we got How on the nails. I'm gonna leave her Instagram page and all that in the description. Go follow. Alright, so here she's just prepping my nails, you know, regular stuff. Every time I go and get my nails done, I never know what I want to get. Truthfully, we kind of just freestyle and it comes out fire every time. So I knew I was getting some bling, some rhinestones. She started off with the pinky. We had to, you know, bling out the whole pinky. So this is pretty cool to watch. There's a finished look. Fire. It came out so cute. So I'm obsessed with French tip. Like, I want to get French tip every time. So I thought about a pink French tip and I went with the lighter pink. You can't go wrong with French tip. It's like a classy, but it still looks really nice. I feel like that's like my go-to. But yeah. And also, pink is my favorite color, if you didn't know. I love everything pink, and it's been a while since I got some pink nails, so I was like, you know what? I might as well. I decided to add some rhinestones to the top of my thumb, and it came out real cute. Here's the finished look. They came out so cute. My middle finger is actually crooked, not the nail, so don't mind that. I woke up late as heck for my appointment and quickly got up and threw something on because I could not miss this appointment. See, my earring just fell out. I'm all over the place. I can't wait till I get my facial. I'm gonna come out like clear skin and some white teeth. Come on. You know what? I'm cutting in front of somebody. I don't care.
Turn left onto South Hull Street.
I don't need this GPS to tell. I just have a medium strawberry banana smoothie.
Yes, I'm very sorry. Unfortunately, that machine is broken at the moment.
Oh my gosh. Inside of McDonald's, you just smell all the grease. When I used to work at McDonald's, so I worked at McDonald's when I was 16. No, I might have been 17. My first job was Pizza Hut. I stayed there for like a year and a half. And then I went to McDonald's because my friend worked there. And they was paying more. And they was giving way more hours. One thing about McDonald's, they gonna give you your 40 hours. They don't care what else you got going on. If you say, yeah, I want my 40 hours, that's what you gonna get. What was it, last year? I lost my car. And I'm the type of person where I don't like people having to ask people for rides. And then I wasn't trying to take an Uber every day. So since McDonald's is right down the street from my house, I worked at McDonald's again. They probably was like, girl, what is you doing here? Again. I did not want to do it. Listen, but you know, I had to make a sacrifice. It's either I want to get a new car or stay stuck in the same spot. And I only did it for a month. It only took me a month to get my car. And I was working night shift. After a certain time, the lobbies closed. So it was all drive-through. So I wouldn't even be seeing nobody. I would just be back there doing my job, get in and get out, get that money, and call it a day, you know? But yeah, sometimes you gotta make sacrifices. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And you don't gotta explain that to nobody as long as you're getting yours. Ooh, McDonald's Sprite be so strong, like, what the heck they put in this?
Baby, I got the racks. She's like, you need to show. Wanna blow me cause I ball like a Kobe.
Alright, but I'm gonna turn this camera off because baby girl about to do the dash. Hurry up, because I'm late as heck for my appointment. See you guys in a little bit. Started off with teeth whitening, and this was just me cleaning my teeth off. I think this was like a oil. I'm pretty sure. All I know is that it smelled really good, and I know that it was to protect your gums. We took some before and after pictures. You guys have to book this service. You really do see the results like instantly, and I can't wait to book my next appointment and continue. Alright, so I put these glasses on, and I did a 30-minute session. This is me with the light on, just waiting so I could see my teeth. But yeah, it went by really fast. Next time I want to do the hour session. This is me admiring my teeth after. So these are the products that were used during my facial. I'm not an expert. All I know is that they did an amazing job. And I did a mud mask, some cleansers, and you know. So this was my favorite part ever. Like, it literally felt so good and relaxing that I wanted to fall asleep.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you?
This was my first time getting a facial, and I do recommend you make like a monthly or maybe every 2 weeks, depending on what type of skin you have. But if you have like areas of your skin where you really want to work on, then facials are the way to go for you.
Who you belong to?
From 8 until late, I think about you. On my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things.
My main concern with my skin is I get a lot of blackheads on my nose and my chin. And after yesterday, I am blackhead free. This was a charcoal mask followed by a tea tree mask, and this made my skin feel very soft and moisturized. I got my facial, teeth white, glowing, glow effect. You know, gotta keep it cute. I think I'm gonna make this like a monthly, at least a monthly routine. Maybe every 2 weeks, depending on how my skin acts. But yes, this is definitely gonna be added into my routine. It just makes you feel good. Like, my skin is brighter. It just feels good. I just feel good. And nobody's gonna take care of you and love you and make you feel good better than yourself. So always take the time out to do just little things like this for yourself. I'm so hyped right now, but I really want some insomnia cookies. I didn't eat all day and I don't know, I'm craving something sweet, so I might go get some cookies. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, okay? And if nobody told you today, baby girl, you beautiful. Bye.